Good morning. It is September the 12th, 2017. Time to kick off another trading day. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may be under overcompensated with the impact of any of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Well, we came into yesterday's evening Globex session and today's with our analysis that favored a sell. We had a sell at 31 to 03. The high was 27.05. So we 0.05. So we nailed it. We got the direction right, etc. Our buy was in the 24 to 28 area, and we're there right now. The news this morning is pretty limited. Small business optimism index looking for 104.5 came in at 105.3. Negative for treasuries, positive for equities. And I just think that sigh of relief that went out through the productive sector of our economy on November the 9th still continues to support the market. JOLTS 6.01. JOLTS could come in higher than forecast. The business optimism index came in. I think there's one sell left in the market this morning. 27 to 31. If we don't bust the 26.20 area, we can trade from the long side of the market because of the 10-year auction. They can't move the paper if the market is selling. So we'll play for a little bit lower by 17s to 21s and 9 to 13. Okay, I put two videos up. Thomas Sowell is always good to listen to. I mean, that guy is just squared away talking about social justice. And then Roger Scruton, an English intellectual who is really, really good. If you're not familiar with him, his stuff is all worthwhile. And talking about scholarship in academia these days, which is pretty interesting take on it, but it's to do later when things slow down. I'm going to kick around some new ideas. Okay, looking at the 30-year, I like the short side once, so 20 to 24 is number one, 27.31 sell one, 3 to 7 sell 2. I think we can trade a little bit lower, so stops below 55.04. So we'll make 8 to 12 1. Buying 1 to 5 and 25 to 29. At some point today, even though the 10-year auction is the weak one, dealers will have to at least slow the selling. They don't have to totally stop it, but there's not a lot of incentive to buy the when issued treasuries in a down market. Gold was lower, treasuries were lower, stocks are up. There's no reason to own gold or treasuries, right? So 25, 27 looks like it's pretty good support. Definitely a B. We'll play for a little bit lower this morning. Buy 1, 25, 27, 20 to 22, buy 2. On the sell side, 32 to 34, 38 to 40. And on gold, we had a 34.36 sell coming into last night. Did not make it. Market stopped just below that. Okay, the dollar stopped selling yesterday actually, and both the yen and euro are down. Dollar is sideways a little bit higher. 109, 119.25 by 1, by 2, 119 even. The sell side, the spill was from 50, so 45 to 55, sell 1. 70 to 80, sell 2. And we had a 70 to 80 sell last night in the euro. You were able to get that price on London time for sure. And so our analysis and homework for those that trade the euro and can trade London time worked out pretty well. Mario likes the action yesterday and today with the lower euro. These guys get paid enormous amounts of money to stand in front of crowds in the world and eat crow on a regular basis. Okay, crude oil is trying to trade higher. Got a buyer in the 46-47 area. We have a seller in the 49 to 50. We're just above 48. Kind of right in the middle of the range. So the ideal sell is going to be up here in this 49 area. And the ideal buy is in the 47 and a quarter. 47 as it stands right now. So we had this spill yesterday from 75. We're at 27. We're pointed higher right now. So 48.50 to 48.75, sell 1. 49.49 and a quarter, sell 2. APIs tonight. EIA inventory tomorrow. Nobody's going to make a lot out of the statistics, in my opinion. You can't. 47.75, 48 by 1. 47 and a quarter, 47.50 by 2. They're looking for big draw on products. Is what we're playing for. Okay, the stocks made new highs around the globe. Only index that was off last night was the FTSE. And here we sit, so we're pointed higher. 94.96, sell 1. Stops above 2,500, I think is the play today. Sell 2, 99 to 01. 3.5. Sometimes when we take out a major market number like the buck, sometimes you go 3.5 points past it before you find buyers or sellers. So I think the play is to get long off the bat, and 85, 87 would be buy 1, and 80, 82 buy 2. See, the breakout came from the 2470, 2475 area right in here. So buying against 75. I think the market needs to go back and retest that once. Buying against 88.75 right here would test the previous contract high. So we're being a little bit on the cheap side, trying to buy at yesterday's highs or better. We'll see if we can get it done. Okay, it's going to take a bit to get everything up and posted. I'm going to get busy on that. I will be back with you as soon as possible in a bit.